Okay, so here we go. We have the birds skimming across the vale, and they sort of come up and then around. They move so quickly across the fields. They look like bats almost. Do you see that? So this doesn't happen very often. And then they all just sort of like go from one area of the blackthorn hedgerow to the other area. And this is just from my back garden in Shaftesbury, North Dorset. And see where that beautiful oak tree is in the middle of the field? That's where the boundary is to Wiltshire. Oh gosh, they're making more sounds again. And I think I've just seen some firecrests sort of just fly across as well. So the activity today is more exciting on a windy, dramatic, stormy day than on a blue sky day. Here we go again. They're sort of moving again. They don't know which way they're going to go yet. They're thinking about it. Here we go again. Look at this. The dancing of the birds swooping across the vale of Wincombe. I hope you've enjoyed this and got inspired. I can definitely feel a storm cloud painting over the Wincombe Vale is going to happen in the studio later on. Bye for now.